Hi kids! Are you ready to learn about animals and their favorite foods? First, let's open up our markers. Wow, our markers look amazing! Let me show you up close. Let's place them in the box and line them up side by side. All right, are you ready to start drawing? Awesome, let's begin. First, let's draw our elephant's eyes and trunk. Now let's finish the head. Let's carefully draw the big ear, the body, and the feet too. Now we're going to draw a delicious fruit that our elephant loves. Yes, you guessed it. It's a watermelon. Let's move on to the next one. First, we draw the eyes, the mouth, and the nose. Then, we finish the head. You recognized it by those long ears, didn't you? It's a rabbit. What does a rabbit love? Now I'm going to draw a carrot. Say it if you know it. Yes, great job! This is called a carrot. Rabbits love carrots so much. Now let's see if you can guess this one. Which animal could this be? Look closely, it has ears. It has big paws and strong claws. Yes, you got it, it's a bear. So what do bears really love? Pears, of course. Come on, let's say their names. Elephant, rabbit, bear, watermelon, carrot, and pear. All right, all of our drawings are ready. Now it's coloring time. Working with colorful markers is so much fun. Coloring with them is really exciting. All right, are you ready to color? Then let's begin. Here we go. Let's color this with a surprise color. You tell me the names of the colors, okay? If you're ready, let the coloring begin. Come on, say the name of this color. I can't hear you. Can you say it a little more clearly? Please say it a little louder. I still can't hear you. Yes, that's right. This color is called pink. We colored our elephant pink. What color am I using for the watermelon? A little louder, please. I couldn't hear you. Yes, you got this one too. A watermelon's rind is green. Elephants love watermelon. Now, what color am I making the rabbit? Can you say it louder? Yes, you know all the colors. This color is called red. Come on, tell me what color I'm using for the carrot. Yes, orange. You know your colors. And your foods too. Bears really love honey. But they love pears almost as much as honey. You know that funny saying, right? Bears always pick the best pears. Now, let's say their names together one more time. Elephant. It eats watermelon. Rabbit. It loves carrots. Bear. It eats pears. Yes! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.